Santee Cooper, meeting the growing energy needs of the 21st century while protecting the environment and natural heritage of South Carolina through its innovative Santee Cooper Green programs. Santee Cooper Green presents Living Green. Hydrogen is poised to become a major player in the search for clean and renewable energy sources. Santee Cooper has joined with several other groups statewide to make hydrogen research a priority, and they were an anchor sponsor of the National Hydrogen Association Conference and AssociationExpo this past week in Columbia. Living Green visited the event, the largest conference of its kind in the United States, on Public Day, which was designed to allow students and interested members of the public to see firsthand hydrogen technology and future applications. Patrick Surface, Director of Technology and Communications for the National Hydrogen Association, shares the benefits of this gas and the accompanying fuel cell technology.
Well, there are three main benefits to hydrogen. You can reduce your dependence on imported fuels, you can improve the environment by reducing emissions, and grow the economy. And so depending upon who you are, you may put those in a different order. The state of South Carolina is most interested in the economic benefits from hydrogen, because hydrogen can help create new green jobs, it can bring in technology to this area. Maybe Columbia will become a Silicon Valley for hydrogen. The use of hydrogen is growing every day. Just in the last couple of years, it's grown a ton because we have new products that are using hydrogen, and it's going to grow even further. You can use hydrogen for powering your personal electronics like laptops and video cameras. You can also use it to power homes and businesses, or cars and specialty vehicles like forklifts or airport vehicles. There are a lot of ways that you can use hydrogen today, and we want to share that with everyone. The NHA conference is very important because it brings together business leaders, policymakers, and the public so that we can both learn about hydrogen and also develop the technologies and move steps ahead.
Mike Brown, Santee Cooper's Manager of Economic Development, is hopeful that South Carolina will become a hub for hydrogen technology and production, bringing along all of the economic benefits that will accompany this exciting industry.
It's a big coup for Columbia for them to attract their convention here. There's people from all over the country, and we've met several people from across the world, from Japan and Germany, other parts of Europe, that are here to focus on hydrogen and fuel cell research. And we're here to try and attract them to South Carolina to help bring jobs and capital investment in our state. As we look toward the future, we see a lot of these companies and technologies will become more widespread. So it's important for South Carolina to be a leader now and showcase the resources we've got to offer to people that are interested in this sphere. If you look across the state, there's the Savannah River National Laboratory, which used to be focused solely on making atomic weapons and research associated with that. Well, they know more about hydrogen than anybody else in the world, but it's been locked up for 50 years and they've kept it secret. So now they're trying to bring that knowledge out for public good, public benefit, and work with private entities to help commercialize it. If you look here in Columbia at the Innovista, the University of South Carolina is very active in fuel cell research. If you look in the upstate at Clemson with their ICAR activities, they're very active in looking at hydrogen and fuel cell from a transportation point of view. You know, how can we commercialize these discoveries? How can we make them successful where they find wide commercial application, and then they need to employ lots of people, invest lots of money in our state, and help grow. If you bring in the public now, help them understand it. We've had several 8th grade classes come through today. It's great. You think about them in 20 years, you know, they'll be the ones at the cutting edge. They'll be in their 30s out there. They'll be a mainstay in the economy, and so if we can get them interested in these type of careers now, this technology, it's going to be an ingredient for success in the future.
So for the 2,000 or so people who attended the conference, drove hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, and saw all the latest in hydrogen technology, it was quite an inspiring look into the future of this green energy source. As always, for more information on this or other ways to begin living green, visit our website at santeecoopergreen.com. Living Green from Santee Cooper Green.